when you go home, you know that you entered a zone where there are people who will understand you, who are very supportive in life, who have always probably wished the best for us. So they do understand our commitments. So when we enter a zone like that, we know that we have somebody who's so supportive that even if we remove our frustration on them, they are quite cool and calm. They understand. They are just at peace with themselves. So you also somewhere imbibe that kind of positivity from them, and then you just think, okay, fine, we just have to go and do it. It's work anyways. We were sitting at workplace and doing it, so it's okay. And one more thing is that we have our colleagues sitting back here at office doing it late night. So we somewhere feel for them, and it's a responsibility as well that needs to be fulfilled. So that's how it goes.